Talking to me, how you feel about your last night in this apartment? Hmm? You came home from you were 4 days old in this apartment. How do you feel? It's your last night going to sleep here.
4 days to have 4 years.
Hmm? You don't know? It's your last night in this house, in this apartment. I keep saying I keep calling the apartment house because the new place is a house, and I've been getting used to saying house a lot. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Webb Aiden kun. Webb Aiden kun. Webb Aiden kun. Yeah, man.
Sleep. You want to sleep?
Okay. What's wrong?
Tired up, man. Tired, man. It's mad, man.
Can you just say up? Up. Okay. That's all you have to say if you want to come up here. Guys, we just got, oh sorry, good morning. Like, I am rushing, that is how fast I am going. So I told that the Hoovers were coming in the afternoon today, but they called not too long ago to say that they finished their first job early. So they are scheduled to arrive here to start our move at 12:30 p.m. It is now 11:31, so we have about an hour. So we're like scrambling to like just get the last few things that we had to do this morning done. Like, I'm so grateful, even though we stayed up late last night, I'm grateful that we got what we got done and did not put it off today by saying, oh, we have time, they won't come until in the afternoon. Because see, this is what happens, things change. So I'm glad that we were prepared, and now we just have a few last minute things to do. So follow me around while I panic pack the rest of this house or apartment or whatever you call it. I'm currently taking off the these on the wall, of the windows.
On the cross. I'm not wait for anything and take a run or something. In case you have specific organization.
Just ask me where they go.
No, man, you know what it is? I saw you had to look. You grab something, I'm feeling at anything.
Oh man, I saw you know it bright. This is such bad lighting. Like, we're kind of just scrambling and doing everything all at once right now. Dirty, 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 dirty. I'm excited. I'm excited. Guys, the good thing is I no longer have to freak out about Aiden's schedule, because if we start at 12:30, we'll definitely be done before 4 p.m. Aiden can go to bed at his normal time. Even if we pick him up late, which we still might pick him up late, we have time to like get his room situated and set up so he has somewhere to sleep. And then we don't hand over the keys until tomorrow, so we have time to like come down here, wipe the floors, because the inspection for this place is tomorrow in the morning. So it gives us a little leg room to like come down here, wipe down stuff, and, you know, fine tune the place, because they will charge you for damages, and we have quite a few kid damages in here. So we get a chance to like, you know, present the place nice-ish and all of that stuff. So I'm actually grateful the movie started earlier than we expected. Yeah, I don't know, I call these bags Crocus bag, but my friend just enlightened me and told me that these are not Crocus bags, these are market bags in Jamaica. So whatever they are, we have lots of them, and you can find them in Syria for when you're moving, because they have come in very handy for stuff that can't really fit in boxes but we need put away.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with. That I should be
Making progress. Just looking around to see what needs to get done. Oh, there's a box that needs closing.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been
Half an hour left. Just heard the 12 o'clock alarm or bell. There's something that goes off at 12 p.m. and 5 or 4 o'clock or 6 p.m. depending on the season in Japan, that just basically lets you know what time of day it is. And I just heard it, so it's like 12 p.m. Alright, you know what? Let's start with the freezer first. To be honest, my goal with the freezer is to just shove everything in a big bag and shove it in a box, right? Seriously, that's my plan.
Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah. Give me a sign. Give me a sign.
Guys, tell me you have a tell me I have a child without telling me I have a child. I found money in my freezer.
Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign.
In the beginning, we weren't using these cushions as much, and I started to wonder if we were packing wrong, because it's like, but we're not using these, so why did they send so much? But since last night and like packing out the dishes and stuff like that, they have really become handy to just cushion stuff, and then this is going to like prevent the box from like getting wet and soaking through the bottom.
Came along, couldn't look away.
So what do we do with our eggs? What do we do with our eggs, guys? I wish you could like give me advice right now. No, we can't throw the egg them.
What? Put them in a...
There must be a way to secure them. And then as them reach,
Wrap them individually in the phone.
Individual egg?
Yeah. One by one. So I wrap everything as one, they broke up on each other.
Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. My foolish heart and healing thought I would be fine. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Your silhouette dancing on the wall. I try to close my eyes, but then I hear you call. Yeah, your perfume that I still can stand. But every time I think these scars about to mend.
So actually there's another person moving as we speak. When I ran down to the management office, there was a moving truck, so 2 people moving today. I'm gonna run outside to check if they're still moving or if they're finished. They are all done moving. Seems as if it was a small move, nothing as big as this.
Maybe they stop before you realize.
Yeah. Because that's the thing, when you live in apartments, you really have no idea what's going on outside. Yeah. I think we have made good headways. Can you guys believe that I'm still doing laundry? Like, I know I'm a crazy person, but you know what? I want to have clean curtains to put up in the new place. So the plan is, I'm not going to hang anything on the line because obviously that would be crazy. I'm just doing the washing. And then I'm going to go to the dryer. Put them in the dryer and have them stay there. When the move is finished, we can go get them and then we can just throw them in the back of the bicycle and bring them up. But it's a risk because we scheduled for the light, the electricity to be turned off today. And we have no idea at what point they're going to turn it off. So it's like fingers crossed that the machine can do the wash cycle before the light shuts off. So far, this is my 3rd load. 3rd and final, so I'm just hoping and praying that the light stays on, the electricity stays on, so that we can finish that wash. But the gas, oh my god, like this morning, like by 9 o'clock, the gas man was like, "Hi, konnichiwa, gas turn off," like whatever. And I'm like, oh my god, we have no hot water. So we were thinking ahead and we thought that we might want to like wash our hands as we go along and stuff like that. So we didn't schedule the water to be cut off until tomorrow. So that is good, but we don't have hot water and the electricity can go at any point. So fingers crossed. I think we're all wrapped up, to be honest. Tension rods in the bathroom, Adam. Aiden's room is clear, the fridge is clear, everything out here so start out, room start out, everything off of the windows. Yes, I have packed them in that big stand. The toys, I'm not sure maybe that they end up inside of one of these crocus bags. What?
Crocus bag.
Guys, movers are here. Oh my god, I am freaking out. So much freaking out. You guys, they're moving like so fast. Oh my god, like boxes are just like throwing. Oh my goodness. They move like so fast that I'm actually afraid. I thought, boss, you want to help them? You must be mad. You don't move.
We can't help, but I get in their way, man.
Yeah, you're not getting in their way.
You never anticipate that speed.
Honestly, the speed at which these people are moving, like, I am totally shocked and scared. Damn.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. To express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. You would like me just the way I am. I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
Oh no! First trip. Arigatou gozaimasu. Hi. Oh no! Thank you. Alright, so life of a YouTuber, I am also filming and I'm also doing Instagram stories. But they got a huge amount of stuff out of the house. Like most of the big furniture is gone. A few boxes left. And the desks, everything, they're all gone. The bed is gone. The clothes are in these stuff. And they have made a good dent, man. Like in the first trip. Is the machine gone? Yep, the machine is gone. Oh my god. Look at all this. That's a mess. But yeah. They are packing up to go, you guys. Packing up to go. Okay, I wanted to pop in and just kind of explain some things that was happening in the meantime. So the movers were on their way to the house, or actually they were already at the house packing out the stuff, and Adam was so kind to get some clips for me, so I'm inserting it right here for you guys to see. So basically this is our mattress, and because our stairs are so narrow and steep, they were like, your mattress will not be able to make it up the stairs, so we're going to have to use like a crane and pull it from outside to upstairs. So that is what you're seeing right here. They had to literally pull the mattress upstairs via rope, and this is basically what the house looked like after the move was all finished. Like they came, actually I think this was after the first trip, so at this time they were probably back at the apartment gathering the stuff for the second trip. But this was what was left after the first trip of them like unpacking the truck. Adam was just going around in the house and showing you what was left. Actually, as I am looking at the clip, it seems as if this was at the end of the move. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm still trying to figure out at what point in the day this was. But I remember that the move was finished quite early in the afternoon, about 3:30. So this could quite possibly be like the entire move. Yes. I just got word from Adam that this was after the entire move was finished. He was just walking through the house to just show you what was left, or what they did, the aftermath of, I guess, moving and all that stuff. These things outside were stuff that we were going to get rid of. Luckily, we saw a poster where big items were going to be collected the following Sunday after we moved in. So that worked out pretty well for us, as we could dispose of the freezer that we didn't need anymore, simply because it was malfunctioning anyway, and we needed to get rid of that. And this was what the upstairs rooms looked like, all the clothes piled up. And believe it or not, we lived like this for about 4 or 5 days before I ended up tackling this room and these clothes. So yeah, I'll be heading back to current time with Aiden to see his reaction about the empty apartment. So stay tuned. Aiden, all our stuff is gone, you know. Let's see what your reaction is when you see everything is gone. Right? Where's everything? Okay. Nani? What happened? Nani? What? Nani? You want rice? Let's go get rice, okay? It's okay. Right. All right. Where's your bed?
Bye-bye.
Where's your bed? It's gone? It's gone? Yeah. What happened? Everything is gone, Bob. Yeah, we moved. Yeah, we did. Hmm? What do you think? Yeah, all gone. All gone. Yeah. Where's your stuff? Where's your stuff? There's no TV. Where's the TV? Where's the TV? Yeah, it's all gone. Yeah, it's all gone. That's right. It's all gone. It's all gone. So, Ne, how do you feel? You alright? So guys, the house is empty now. This is what we have. That's where the couch used to be. Oh my god, that's where the cabinet used to be. So Nick, kitchen. This is where the fridge used to be. Like, I was shocked at the amount of nastiness that was stuck under my fridge. Like, can you believe all this? Just disgusting, to be honest. This is like the empty place. This is the office. It's all empty. This is the room. Our bed was right there. Closet's empty. Yeah. Show the bathroom. Everything is empty. We no longer live here. Ne? Yeah. So right now, as I'm waiting on Adam to come down from the new house, since Aiden is eating, I feel a little better. So maybe we'll sweep up a little bit, and then we'll go home to our new house. And tomorrow morning we'll come down here early. We have the inspection at 10:30, so we want to get down here by 9 o'clock and then use an hour and a half to just like fine-tune the place, you know, wipe off, dust out stuff, especially where the machine used to be, the washing machine, and all of that. So that's the plan, and I'll catch up with you guys at the new house. Whee! You happy? Whoa. Happy, nah? Then could I read the box good? They know kitchen and stuff? Yeah. Or you point them to the game can or then figure it out? You tell them game can and point them. I mean, I heard basic version, so I plus game can in Japanese. You sit down there. Wow. Hello guys, it is 9:30 at night. We just put Aiden to bed, and the reason why he went to bed so late is because we had visitors. Aiden's Japanese grandparents came over to just give us a hand, look at the place, give us some advice, and you know, teach us how to use some of the gadgets inside of this house and stuff like that. So we are officially moved in here. We are no longer living in the apartment. I'm going to show you around just like the boxes and everything. Unfortunately, I did not get to do an empty house tour. It didn't work out, but I will do a house tour. It's just that it's not going to be empty, so the space you probably will not be able to see the bigness of it, but it is what it is. You know, we win some, we lose some. But yeah, I ended up getting everything I needed to get done in terms of the move was done early. We finished everything by 3:30, and then I headed off to the city office because you have to like do procedures to change your address. And because we have Aiden, I also had to go to the daycare division, the nursery school division, to change address there. And then I also had to submit documents for change of address for his child allowance and his medical expense subsidy. So I did all of that, and we got the new address stamped on our residence cards and my number cards and all of that stuff. So luckily we got that done. I picked up Aiden at from daycare like 5 o'clock or after 5 today, and it really brought me to tears because I got super worried about how he was feeling, because usually somebody would have picked him up by now, and I was just wondering if he, you know, felt any type of way because no one was coming to get him. And it made my heart very sad, and I broke down in tears, like in front of the nursery school teacher, everything. Like, she had to give me tissues. Like, I was like, Aiden, are you okay? I'm so sorry. But you know, like mom guilt, if you're a mom, you know, and mom guilt is like, it will eat you alive. So if you're a parent, like, you're doing amazing. You're doing what you can with what you have, and that's enough. And your kids know that, and they love you just the same. It's just that we need to, like, you know, be okay with how things are sometimes. But yeah, that's basically everything that's been going on tonight. Me and Adam, we were talking, and we were like, we're tired for sure, but we do not feel sleepy, and we don't think we're gonna like sleep tonight until we open a few boxes. I know I said I was not going to open any boxes tonight, but you know what, like, I need this kitchen to be functionable. Okay, if it's even the kitchen, I need it functionable. So we're gonna try to pack out the kitchen a little bit, like just talk about stuff and hang out with each other and try to get as much packed out as we possibly can tonight, and then go from here. I am actually out of memory cards. I have finished 4 memory cards so far of 128 gigabytes. This is a 32 gigabyte that's recording right now, and it does not have a lot of space, so I am not going to be able to film a lot of unpacking before I like get some of the videos that I have already filmed out. So you found the box?
Yeah.
So you could have found it. Which part is it there? So I'm gonna have to keep the chatting to a minimum if I want to get any footage of us packing out. I'm not gonna set up the camera tonight because we're just like trying to get the kitchen set up. So I will see you guys tomorrow at some point, or the next day at some point, or at some point in this video. Okay, so welcome to the official we have moved in vlog. I think that's what I'm gonna title it. And yeah, let's pack out this new house together. Let me just give you a pan of what's happening in here.
Footage I can use.
Okay, did you get a chance to do the empty house tour?
Yeah, we do the empty house, and we do footage with the boxes untouched in a good lighting, so yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Adam is such a husband goals right now because he's like he's like, I know you. Why am I so dark though? Hey. No, it was just very nice. Yeah, I got dark there for a bit, but Adam was like, I got footage for you. I did the empty house tour. I did ask him to do it, but I just did not know for sure if he would have time to do it before. Because the movers were like really fast. Like they were working at lightning speed. Worse than lightning speed, like faster than lightning speed. So I wasn't sure if he got a chance to like do it, but he said he did, so yeah. He also said he did like an overview of the boxes in the house and so on, so I do not have to do that right now. I'll just run that clip so you can see the chaos that is this new house, but it gets worse before it gets better. So I look forward to like spending the next couple of days with you guys, or probably months or weeks, who knows, unpacking this house and making it our home. So I'll see you soon.